Hey everybody, welcome to day 2 of our Trek bed build. Yesterday, day 1 got cut short by the weather. Here is the IKEA bed frame, but we've taken the brackets off and removed the edges. What we're gonna need to do is cut down these face boards about 1 inch on each side. So as you can see right there, it's upside down. We got it to 48 1/4 almost exactly, and I can sand down that edge there. And in our book, where we've been writing down all of our measurements and everything, right here we took a couple of measurements, and 50 1/4 was what I was thinking that it was. So this thing should fit snugly in the bed. And now I just need to do that entire process one more time. Okay, so now with everything cut, I'm gonna turn the truck around and put the boards in there and fit them together and see how they fit, basically. So here is the IKEA bed frame cut to width so that it's even with the wheel wells. I'm gonna grab the triangle so you can see just how much room there is. So it's just about 7 inches, almost exactly, man, from the edge of the frame to the edge of the bed there. Next step is re-drilling these holes that I had to cut down. When we went to Home Depot, we got all of these boards, and we were going to build a platform from scratch, and as we were downsizing the house, we realized we had this bed frame, and we got the idea because we had taken the mattress out earlier and put it on top of this, or put it in the bed, and it fit in there pretty well. We were already looking along the lines of using that stuff. It's all IKEA, and one of the other reasons for using this instead of building from scratch is we wanted something kind of low profile, right? Because this sits, I don't know if you can see it on the camera there. Here, let's try this side. The wheel well still comes up a little bit beyond the bed platform. What we didn't want was a platform built on top of the wheel wells, because then with the mattress that we plan on using, you know, we would be sitting kind of right here, so we'd be laying at this level. And you know, the Lear 122 is pretty big, but we're trying to have as much headroom as possible. Okay, so the next step is going to be re-drilling the holes that were initially on those end pieces, so the brackets will fit on there, and those brackets, these are here. So these initially held the corners in place. Well, that was time consuming, and the few seconds that you saw as a time lapse where I was drilling holes and whatnot was actually quite a bit of time. We have to make a decision about using the front board or not, so I don't think I'm going to drill until we figure that out. All right.